up, you guys? Welcome back. Before getting into anything, I just want to say thank you so much for 3K subscribers. I know it doesn't seem like a lot to a lot of people, but it's still 3K, so thank you. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do so right now. I will put my username somewhere on the screen. It's at bbyg.soul. I posted about 3 days ago, I think. I posted asking you guys what you wanted to see next from me, and the most requested video was a curly hair routine. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, and this is what I use for my hair. Suave shampoo and conditioner. There's nothing really special about it. This is just what I use. I don't have like a favorite shampoo and conditioner that I live by, and like this is just what I've been using lately. Yeah, I usually tend to like try out different shampoos and conditioners. I don't really think that makes a big difference in my hair. What I do think makes a big difference is like afterwards, like what kind of leave-in conditioner you use, curling creams, oils, and stuff like that. Okay, so my hair tends to get really dry. So I won't use this every day, but I would usually use it like once a month. And yeah, I usually leave it on for like 10-15 minutes in the shower, and then I do everything else, and then I wash it off. But yeah, I don't use this every day, but it is really good. I will usually detangle my hair, and I will apply this Cantu Shea Butter coconut curling cream.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like the wave returns to the sea.
I'm gonna put one side of my hair up because I just don't want it in my way. And then I'm just gonna detangle this side. And this is what I use. I mixed this product with this. So this is a gel and this is a leave-in conditioner. So I mixed these two.
Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue.
I'm gonna mix with some of that. I'll go back in with, you can use a towel if you want, like it's whatever, but I just kind of do this. Every time I straighten my hair, it kind of loses like the texture, the curly texture. So I have to try 100 times harder to get back my curls. Because after I straighten my hair for prom, like it just, I think this side is good now. Off to the next side. Alright.
No, yo no le puse de número. Lo que I don't like for your videos is la freaking tallita esas súper desnudas.
Stop playing. My mom hates these. I don't know why. I like them. They have meaning to them.
Yeah, just keep it in the drawer.
No, because I like wearing them. I don't wear anything but this.
No, you should wear.
And every time I'm taking
Washer.
pictures, she's like, take it off. It's like the first thing she's like, take off. I'm like, no. I use a lot. That's why I run out of things so quickly. Okay, and then just put it everywhere and then do the same thing on the other side.
It smells so good.
Okay, so do the same thing. Grab your little whatever. I feel so ghetto, like I don't even have one of those like little towels. I just have like this.
You used to have one. What
I
did
know.
you do with it?
I lost. Whatever. You just use whatever. Honestly, I don't really see a difference from when I use this or when I use a towel. I just do it just because there's like a big deal of on YouTube, like don't use a towel because it makes your hair frizzy. I'm just like, you know what? I'm not gonna use a towel. One thing, I don't use a hair dryer. I see people like use it all over Instagram and stuff, but like I just don't like them. I just let my hair air dry. I feel like that works best for me. On days where it's like tomorrow, I'm probably not gonna use these products. I'm probably just going to be using my coconut curling cream because this I use every day. This is something that I also use. I don't use it as much anymore because I use this one. But sometimes if my hair is like extra dry.
But in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful.
So yeah, I use this not often, but I do use it sometimes when my hair is really dry. So what I will do before my hair it's completely dry, I will apply some oils to my hair to calm down the frizz and stuff, like all the little hairs that tend to like stick up or whatever. I use this one the most. As you can see, there's literally nothing left. And I just started trying this one. I like it. I mean, it's good. So I'm probably gonna use this one because this is the one I use the most and I know it works. Yo, what the, since there isn't much, the pump is not working. So we're just gonna go ham. The pump is not working, so listen, you gotta do what you gotta do. The most ghetto video or whatever. The oil is just do like so in your hands and then just like, it smells so good. Yeah, if you're going to apply an oil, what I recommend from experience is that usually when I put on the oil when my hair is dry, my hair just looks super oily and dirty, so don't do that unless you like having very oily hair. But if you do it like when your hair is like in that middle stage where it's like it's not super wet but it's not dry yet, that's when you should probably use the oils. And do a little bit of this. Get some freaking volume. And so I will be back when my hair is completely dry. And yeah. Okay, I'm back and this is my hair. It's still not completely dry, but the sun was going away. So this is what it looks like so far. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want me to do next. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up because you still watched it till the end. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, the basics, and I'm out.